Just make this 3 color. And then you can just make it like really simple source and then pick it up later. So I am go ahead and using a Blossom gel and simply applies and tie the nails. You can do it wherever you want. If you want to be right in the center, do it applies on the center. If you want on the angle of the nails, applies on angle. So the thinner you apply, the less, the slower the spreading your design is gonna be. The thicker you apply your is Blossom gel, the faster is going to spread it for you. So it's already applied Blossom gel. Do not key anything yet. We're going to using a twin tip brush and pick up some part of the design. I mean the colors. And you can let it go in. That is so cool. So I'm gonna add some more. Just let it spread. It's really cool though. Add some. Some purple here. And just sort it a little bit. Pick up more. And then you can add more, whatever you want to add it on. Add more colors as you wish. Look at that, how cool it is. I love that how it starts spreading it for you. Let it do its magics. It's really like lovely fall colors. And now, just make sure you pinch your brush, wipe off all the pigments off from the brush. I am going to using the little sparkly rose gold. Okay. You can add it on. Okay, it's like a little bit details on it. In the meantime, it's still spreading and like do its magics for you. You can come in and add some of your like glitter, which is I'm using the sparkly rose gold. I just want to add it in like it's more themes. So it doesn't matter whatever you do, if you're doing it 3 colors, 4 colors, however colors you want it for fall, it's gonna turn out so cool though. It does all the work for you. It's like spreading out for you. Cool. All right, flash key first for 30 seconds. And then we're gonna do some other super adorable design. All right, and let's opening this super. I love this. I was like, should I do the leaves or should I do like Halloween? This is so stunning. The collection of a Halloween though. You want leaf, fall leaves, or you want a Halloween? Or I can using the Autumn Loves, the new collection of glitter. I'm absolutely obsessed with this. This one is everything. So debating. Or we can put pumpkins on it again. This is come with so many, like, or can do a fall leaves. Pumpkin. Oh, hey, honey, how are you? Like, Courtney, hello. Thanks so much for tuning in. Thanks so much, everyone, for tuning in. Oh my gosh, this cool collection. Pumpkin is stunning. Okay, pumpkin with... Look.
It's heavy.
It's heavy. Oh my gosh, the pumpkin. That claw's gonna eat that pumpkin. Too big. So adorable. Oh my god, there's so many of them. The bats right there.